Hello friends, this is Adil. In this video I'm doing unboxing of Ulanzi MT-11 Octopus tripod. Actually this video is sponsored by Ulanzi. They sent me this amazing product for review. Let's open this up and see what's inside the box. So let's go and explore. This is the Ulanzi website. You can also find the website link down below in the video description. They have a lot of varieties of camera lens, tripods, camera lights and much more. Also you can place an order by clicking on the website link. This is the package which I have received, so let's open it up and check the packaging. Let's get the Octopus tripod out from the packaging and see its box. Basically it's a mini tripod and it's designed for vlogging. Also you can use this with mobile phone, action camera and any other camera. It's a flexible tripod and tagline is a small brand focusing on photography. Actually it's Ulanzi MT-11 Octopus tripod and I love the red color Ulanzi logo written in the black background. Let's get the flexible tripod from the box and they provide it in plastic wrapping. I like its plastic smell and also love its grip. They mention Ulanzi logo on the ball head. It's a 360-degree adjustment ball head and you can move it left, right, top and bottom or anywhere, and you can tighten up wherever you want its position. We also have a balancer. Actually there is a small bubble on it. You can find bubble in this small balancer and adjust the level. Let's bend the legs and see its flexibility. Oh, these legs are pretty solid and you can bend them whatever position you want. Personally I like its rubber quality. Also they did a wonderful texture on the rubber which is good for gripping and looks durable as well. Now time to mount adapter for GoPro on the top of the tripod. Let's check it. It also has a feature of adjusting any mobile phone on the hidden expansion on the ball head. Let me show you how it does that. And let's adjust iPhone X on it and see it has a default mobile fitting grip, which is excellent feature. Let's remove the GoPro from the selfie stick and mount on the tripod. I love the 360-degree adjustment ball head and love the red color shiny ball on the middle. Also, its build quality looks wonderful to me and I feel it can handle camera weight easily. I already have a Gorillapod action tripod and this is the Gorillapod tripod. So let's compare the height side by side. I will share its in-depth review after a couple of weeks, and if you have any query, do ask me in the comment section. Don't forget you can find Ulanzi website in the description, and if you are interested in product reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.